Enjoy the view of this 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Dodge Grand Caravan, the quintessential 7-seat minivan that has the power, safety features, and lush amenities to make your road trips and projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. You'll rediscover the fun of the road trip in the family-friendly Grand Caravan. Come in for a test drive today.